Hi, my name is Joney, and I'm speaking from Shenzhen, China. I work as a channel sales manager at Chainway, and RFID Global is our Italian distribution partner. My message here is spoken to all the Italians. We understand Italy is having a difficult time with the coronavirus outbreak, and we had the same situation back 2 months ago. At that time, we have to stay at home most of the time to avoid the contact with other people, and we always wear masks when we go out for food in supermarket. Of course, we also have to work in the daytime, so we always work on the internet to have the meetings or emails with our partner, customer, and our internal team. Um, Actually, I think if you stay home all the time, you feel a little bit depressed. So my advice to you is try to make some simple practice at home when you are doing sports, so you can feel a little bit released and relaxed after a long time to stay home. Uh, of course, I think with the support from China, which our government already supply you in return some face masks and medical equipment. I think Italian people will overcome this bad situation very soon, and hope you all stay strong and healthy from this bad situation, and we'll see you again in future.